Sometimes you have a tough crowd to please. Sometimes you only have one ingredient on your side. And sometimes you get overambitious with your guest list. But with Thermomix, it's challenge accepted. Turn a time crunch into a moment of inspiration with more than 80,000 recipes. Turn family recipes into new memories. Turn your expectations into success. Cut fruits and veggies. Easily adjust portions. Enjoy over 45 cooking functions and modes, and even peel effortlessly. It's time to wrap up. Gather around. Reveal your delicious dish. And turn tonight into something extraordinary. Because with Thermomix, you don't just cook every day. You create wow every day.